Yeah, children. So moving on to next exercise 8.8. The measure of two angles are in the ratio 7 is to 8 and they are supplementary angles. What are they measured in degrees? So whenever we are doing a word problem with a certain ratio, it is always safe to take x. Okay, because if I take x, 7x is to 8x, and if I divide x get cancelled, we are still having 7 is to 8 ratio. We are not changing the question. Okay, so what we will do here, let us understand what is supplementary angles. Supplementary angles means an angle which is as a sum of 180 degree. That means if you measure this, this will be 180, and this 180 is divided into two angles in the ratio 7x is to 8x. That means their total will be equal to 180, right? 7x plus 8x will be the total, and this will be equal to supplementary angles. So I can equate this equation with this equation, with this 180, right? So how can I start? I can say let measure of first angle be 7x, right? So the measure of second angle will be 8x, and their total will be, sum of them will be 15x. So I got total ratio now. Now this total ratio is equal to 180, right? Because this the sum of this only is 180 and their sum in the ratio form is 15x. So I can say 15x is equal to 180 degree. So what is x? X is equal to 180 divided by 15. Why? Because 15x means 15 into x. So multiplication, when it comes here, it becomes division. So x is equal to 15. If you divide, you will get 12 by long division, right? If you do long division like this, 15 ones are 15, 3 remaining, 0 down, 15 twos are 30. So you will get x as 12. Right? Once you get x as 12, you put this value of x in the first angle. What is your first angle? 7x. That is 7 into x, which is 7 into 12, 84 degree. You put x value here. What is your second angle? Second angle is 8 into x, 8 into 12, 96 degree. That means you have distributed 180 as 84 degree and 96 degree. And if you add this, you will get 180 degree, right? Okay, moving on to next sum. The sides of a rectangular field. Now we are going to see rectangle. The sides of a rectangular field are in the ratio 9 is to 7 and its perimeter is 144 meter. Find the sides. Okay, so it is a rectangle and their sides are in the ratio 9 is to 7. So this is a word problem with a certain ratio. So we will take it in the form of x. Like the previous sum, the total was 180. Here the perimeter is 144. What do you mean by perimeter, children? Perimeter means sum of all sides, and we have a formula also for perimeter of a rectangle, 2 times length plus breadth. So now we will equate this total with this total. Okay. So let the length be, let length of rectangle be 9x and breadth be 7x. So their total will be 16x like the previous sum, right? So now my total ratio will be equal to the perimeter, right? So we can say perimeter is equal to total ratio. Okay, so what is perimeter? Perimeter is formula is 2 times L plus B. So 2 times L plus B is equal to 16x is the total ratio, right? Now instead of 2 times, now let me find out what is the value of x. Okay, so keeping this here, this both are equal, right? So let us find first this formula, x formula. 2 times L plus B is what? Perimeter is given as 144. So I will write here 144. And instead of L, can I write 9x? Yes. Instead of breadth, can I write 7x? Yes. Is equal to 144. Now 2 here is being multiplied, right? So when I take 2 here, it gets divided. So 9x plus 7x is equal to 144. 2 becomes here division. So 16x, 9x plus 7x is 16x, we got it here, and it is 72. So what is x? X is 72 divided by 60. So if you do division here, you will get 2 8s are 2 36s are 2 4s are 2 18s are 2 2s are 2 9s are 2 1s are, you will get 4.5. So you are getting x as 4.5. Hope you understood. See children, 72 divided by 16 divided by 2. So it is 236 by 8. Then again divided by 2. You will get 18 by 4. Again divided by 2. You will get 9 by 2. And 9 by 2 by as per long division is 2 4s are 8. One remainder, if you are adding 0, you put a point, 2 5s are 10. So you get 4.5. So you got the value of x as 4.5. So like the previous sum, you put the value of x in length, put the value of x in breadth and get their sides. So now 9x means what? 9 into 4.5, and 7x means 7 into 4.5. So 4.5 into 9, 9 5s are 45, then decimal, 9 4s are 36, 36 plus 4 is 40.5 meter because it is in meter. Then 4.5 into 7, 7 5s are 35, after that point, 7 4s are 28, 31, 31.5 meter. So in this way you will get the length of the rectangle and you will get breadth of the rectangle. Say, like the previous sum, what we did, we converted the ratio into x, then we found their total and we equated this total with this. Perimeter of a rectangle is 2l plus b. So we solved this and found the value of x, and then we put the value of x here. Okay. Last sum. The sides of a rectangular piece of paper are in the ratio 2:3. If the area is 150, find the length of its side. Okay. So now here they are given that it is a rectangular piece and its ratio is in the form of 2:3. So we will take 2x is to 3x and their area is 150. It was perimeter, so we put the formula of perimeter, 2l plus b. Now if it is area of the rectangle, we will put the formula of area of a rectangle. So first for that we will write here area of a rectangle is equal to 150 square centimeter. And area of a rectangular formula is length into breadth is equal to 150. Now what is the length we have taken here? 2x, and what is the breadth? 3x is equal to 150. So 2 3s are 6, x into x square is equal to 150. X square is equal to 150. When 6 comes here, what it will become? Multiplication comes here, it will become division. So x square is equal to 25. If you do long division, you will get 6 2s are 12, 30, 6 5s are 30. So 25 you will get. So what is x square, children? X square means x into x, right? And what is 25? 5 into 5. So if you see, the value of 1x is 5, right? So you can say the value of x is 5. Now put this value of x here in length. Length what we took as 2x. So 2 into 5. What is breadth? Breadth is 3x. So 3 into 5. So we can write 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 50, and it is in centimeter. So we will write centimeter. Okay, why it is square centimeter? Because length into breadth. Centimeter into centimeter will give you square centimeter. Okay, hope you understood how to solve word problems. Bye.